Okay, in this question, a function is given that is fx equals to 2 plus 3 by x. Okay, and we have to find out the inflection points, if any. Okay, and to find out the inflection point, we should have the second derivative of this function. So we will start from first derivative and we will differentiate with respect to x. So it will be f dash x equals to d over dx of 2 plus 3 by x. So f dash x, it will be differentiation of this 2, it will be 0, and plus differentiation of 3 by x, it will be minus 3 by x square. Okay, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and this can be written as minus 3 x raised to the power minus 2. And now to find out second derivative, we will again differentiate it. So d over dx of minus 3 x raised to the power minus 2, and it will be, okay, minus 3 is already there, dot x raised to the power n, differentiation will be n x raised to the power n minus 1, that is minus 2 x raised to the power